Hi there, everybody. This is a quick video on how to find copyright-free images if you want to use them on a website or indeed in the classroom or anything where you require an image and you don't want to get in trouble for using someone else's image or have to pay any license fees. So let's just say you want an image of a snowman, so you can type in snowman, as I have already tested. And Google image search is obviously the go-to for images, but the problem is you will notice that some of these are very obviously copyrighted. But if you say, oh, that's just a picture of a snowman, I can use that. If you click on it, it actually gives you some more information underneath. For example, this bit, images may be subject to copyright, and there is a learn more button there. And you could actually get in trouble for using this image, which is in Google Images, on your website. You could actually be asked for it to pay a fee, a license fee, or you could get into trouble for using it. What you actually need to do when you do a search for your keyword is to use this tools button here underneath the Google search bar, and it allows you to select certain usage rights. For example, you can go for a Creative Commons license, which means anyone can use the image as long as you're not making money from it. So here we go, Creative Commons, and we've got this first one here. That looks pretty good. Let's just click on that and see what it says underneath. It says, get this image on Wikimedia Commons, and it gives you a license details. So let's have a look at what these license details are for this particular image. And it says here, you are free to share, copy and redistribute the material in any medium or format, adapt, remix, transform, build upon the material for any purpose, even commercially. So you can even make money from this one as well. Under the following terms, attribution, you must give appropriate credit, indicate if changes are made, etc., etc. So always read these parts here. So if you do use it, you must put underneath image by, and then whoever is taking credit for the image. That's one way to find a copyright-free image. Another way is to go to a website like Pixabay, which I'm going to show you now. So Pixabay is a royalty-free image stock. And there are loads of images on here that you are completely free to use. Do check the licenses because some of them need credits though. So let's go snowman again here. One thing you've got to look out for on Pixabay is they do have these sponsored images, and they usually appear right at the top and then sometimes in between. These are not license free because it says they are sponsored here, and you can buy them and license them with a discount, but what you're actually looking for is when you get into these, which it says here, download free high quality pictures. So you can have a look through here, and if any take your fancy, then those are the ones that you can use. Just check the license details if they want. Oh, it says here, no attribution required, so you don't even need to credit them. So that hopefully that's helpful for you. So Pixabay.com is the biggest bank of it, but if you're of royalty-free images, but if you're just doing a Google image search, remember to use that tool and select the usage rights to Creative Commons. All right then, hope that helps.